Okay class. Today we will be doing math. Joe. Did you just burp?
Yes I did.
Joe. Go to the principal's office right now. And Gail, stop laughing right now. Or else you are going to the principal's office along with Joe.
So Joe, why are you here in my office again?
I burped in class.
That's it, Joe. Get out of my school because you're suspended for 2 days.
Joe. How dare you burp in class? That is so it. Instead of grounding you for 9824512345678 9 years. You are grounded for 2 days. Go to your room now.